everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today we're going to be doing a wig install. So I'm going to be doing a full-on wig install. I haven't done a glue down wig in a while. That is why you see me wearing the ball cap already. So I've already done my ball cap method off camera. Now if you do not know how to do the ball cap method, I will link a video down below so you can watch that video, and that way you can follow along with the ball cap method. So yeah, I'm gonna grab the wig and I'm gonna pop it on my head. All right, so let's get into the wig. And the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from Geeta Hair. So this is actually my very first time trying out their wigs, and I do suggest that you check out other reviews as well, because again, it's my very first time trying out the wig. So we're gonna do a quick little well, this is not a box, but we're gonna do a quick little unboxing, so little wig reveal. So let's see what's in here. So of course we have the satin bag, which is a must for storing your wigs, or you could just simply pop them on a mannequin head if you have mannequin heads lying around. I do not have any except for the one on my wig stand. I have two actually. We also have a white tooth comb and melting band, which is a must for melting down your wigs. Also, we have two HD wig caps, which I think is definitely a must if you're gonna be doing a HD lace wig for them. And then we also have a coupon card right here. Okay, this is long, super long. So I think this is about 30 inches. Yes, 30 inches. Now all the hair info will be listed in the description box down below, and it is body wave curls as well. Now with this wig, it's actually, the lace is pre-plucked. Okay, I had to stand up so you guys can see the actual length of the hair. This is just the lace up close. As you can see, it's nicely tweezed and knots are bleached. And this one is a 13x6 wig as well, so there is a lot of parting room as well. The lace on the wig, it's a HD lace, so you already know it's gonna melt down flawlessly. Look at all that lace. Look at all that lace. So much parting room. I am so here for that. You also have the combs on the side, which I'm definitely going to remove because I don't use those. And we have the comb on the back and the elastic band as well, which I'm going to adjust. I always adjust this one in the back as well. So I'm just gonna adjust this. Now my head is kind of small. Most wigs, they come in 21.5 and mine is 21. So I do have to make an adjustment so it fits perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop this wig on my head and see how she is looking. She is absolutely gorgeous. Listen, I can already tell this wig is gonna look so good when I'm done with her, like when I'm done installing her. And she's just giving so much body. I love it. I love it. Okay, let me go. Clearly I did not adjust it properly. I got a little too excited there, but I'm gonna have to like kind of move these out of the way because child, I can't work with this. Like, this is a little bit too much hair in my face. And I love that it kind of already has a V-like shape already. So I love that because I really do like when my wigs have that, because I naturally have a widow's peak. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace at the side just to get rid of that extra lace over here. I'm gonna go in with my clip. Now I do think the sides could be tweezed just a little bit more, so I might have to go in with a tweezer. Okay, so since I have makeup on my forehead area, I do have to clean that off. And I'm gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret lace glue. I have the pink bottles, but we're completely out of stock right now. So this is actually a sample, and we will be back in stock in June. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that along my forehead area. Oh my goodness, did I like put on a little too much glue there? My hand was a little heavy, y'all. Oh my goodness. Try not to do that because you really don't need that much. And as you can see, it's literally drying already. That's how quick it dries. They have each other, so they don't need, hi, ma'am. Ma'am. Diamond Princess. Lace down like so. Okay, so as you can see, I just melted this down and I'm doing the double melt method. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut away that extra lace because, child, we don't need it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting. Now you could use an eyebrow razor as well, but I personally prefer to use like one of these little small like cuticle scissors, because then, you know, I could just go in like that. Like, honey, look at that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm just gonna apply it to the hairline, and then I'm gonna put the melting band on, and I'm gonna leave that on for about another 15, maybe 20 minutes. But yeah, because I gotta clean up my forehead because she needs to be cleaned up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use that melting spray, and I'm just going to melt it down onto my lace and go in with my blow dryer and my little comb and just melt that down. And then I'm gonna apply that melting band on my head once again. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I love this. This hair is long, okay? This is 30 inches of hair, 30 inches. But I do wanna have some layers in the front, and I'm gonna go in with my hot comb as well. I'm going to chop, chop, chop away, but I'm mainly gonna cut the front. I'm not gonna take off like a lot of the length off of this wig because I'm gonna keep it long. When I cut hair, I like to start off with, you know, not taking off too much right away because that's how you end up kind of messing it up. So I'm gonna go in with the rat tail comb, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a side part, and I'm gonna go in with some hair wax as well and use the hot comb to flatten it down. That is how you create a part in your wig. You go in with the hot comb and you go in with a waxing stick, because if the hair already comes in a part and you want to change the part, you're gonna have to put some work in to change that part up. This was kind of like a freestyle wig. It didn't come in a part, but you can do a center part or a side part. It's very versatile because you do have a lot of lace to work with. Now this is pretty much how the hair is looking without me using any curling iron. And these are the natural body waves, which I think is just absolutely gorgeous. And this is how I would like to wear. This is how I would wear this this is how I would wear this every day. Like, all right, this is the completed look. I absolutely love it. And honestly, guys, I didn't want to really mess with the patterns of the curl. So I kind of run my curling iron through it, but I really didn't want to mess with the natural pattern because I think it's absolutely gorgeous as it is. But yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope that this video was helpful to you as well when it comes to installing your full-on 13x6 lace wigs. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.